Welcome all guys. So welcome to the day one session of Java programming internship training. In this 1 month internship training, you will get the knowledge on Java mainly from basics to advanced level. So that is the first one. You guys made a right step. Actually, the good step to be on this session. Okay. So who all there in this session will get the knowledge on Java programming completely. So once you get the knowledge on Java programming, and I hope that I'm sure you will get a job in any field. Okay, you will get the job. I'm sure about that. Okay, so I will explain all the benefits about the program and about the internship. So in this 1 month internship training, we are gonna discuss about the Java programming from basics to advanced. Okay. So some of you guys may know about the Java programming basics because you guys from CSC backgrounds, right? CS backgrounds, from degree or might be from a BTech, but you guys know about the basics, I think. But I'm starting it from again. Some of you may not know about Java basics as well. So from the basics to advanced level, we're gonna train you. Okay, and that is the first one. So once you got the knowledge on Java programming, the best programming language in the IT industry as of now, Java. So some of you may say Python is the best one, right, sir? No, no, I won't say Python and all. Who's that? Who's that? Praveen. Full Java. There is a difference, Praveen. Actually, the basics of Java programming, and there is a difference between full stack Java. Okay, so you might have been confused. Okay, in the Java programming, we will discuss from the basics like variables and to the advanced like oops concepts. Okay, I will show you the agenda in a while. Just a minute, I will show you the agenda. So this is the first one. You will learn from basics to advanced level, not the full stack Java. Mind it. And the second one is the internship certificate you will get. Okay, so the 1 month internship certificate you will get, so you can show the certificate to anyone that you got the knowledge on Java programming. And yeah, at the same time, not now, you will get in a while. Okay, after 2 weeks, I think. Yeah, you will get a real time project on Java programming. Yeah, so you will work with me, so you will get the hands on experience on this real time project. Okay, so after learning about this project, after doing the programming skills in this project now. Who's that? Harish. Guys, timings, the class timings, the session timings 8 p.m. sharp. So you have to be joined at 8 p.m. sharp. Okay. And make sure that you won't leave the session because I will take the attendance at any moment. So don't leave the session. So after like gaining the knowledge on this real-time project, so what you can do, simple, mention it in the resume. Okay, so it gonna add the weightage to your resume. Okay, with this resume, so that I will show you guys how to create a best resume and all. I will show you. So with this resume, you're gonna get more chances in the IT field. I'm sure about that. Okay, I will share my resume firstly, so you can copy the same thing. And what next? What do you need more? Yeah, job guidance. Sure. So there is a group called Job Seekers Community. Yeah, I am the one managing the Job Seekers Community group. So I have created like in it's almost 2 years back, I think. Yeah, 2 years back I have created the group Job Seekers Community. So you will get a chance to add in that group shortly. Okay. So once you have added into that group, you will get the job notifications, job guidance, motivations, resume building. Okay, everything that is related to IT jobs or the BPO jobs. Okay, and you will get a free job guidance session as well from my side. Okay, so in that session I will show you how to create a best resume, how to add these project things and the internship things in that resume. And I'm gonna help you to like get a IT job. Resume building, yeah. So do you need more? I hope that is clear about all these topics. The internship certificate, it is ISO recognized internship certificate. It is internationally valid, and you will get the certificate after 1 month from today. Okay. So yeah, these are all things you will get in this internship thing. And let me show you the agenda. So the topics that we are going to cover, that is the agenda actually. Where we have the agenda. Right, guys. So yeah, once again, welcome to the Java program internship. So I hope you guys made a right step. And yeah, so this is the program schedule for the entire month. Okay. So you can go through all these things. You have the, I think you have the agenda with you. Okay. So we'll start from the basics: keywords, variables, data types, operators, and if conditions. Control statements, right? The selection statements and the loops, and you will get knowledge on classes, objects, methods as well. And coming to the oops concepts, we will cover the encapsulations, abstractions, polymorphism, all these things. Okay. And the some keywords: final keyword, this keyword, super keywords. And yeah, so up to this part we cleared, we clear the oops. Yeah, up to the session 8 we will clear the oops. Then after you will get knowledge on the keywords. And yeah, real time hands on coding. Yes, you will get a project as well, and you can do the coding as well. I will show you how to do the real time coding, how to crack the job. You guys know, right? Assessments. If you attend to any assessments in the top MNC companies, they will give you a coding question. Like, you have to write a code for the question. So it's a typical question. It's a hard question only. They won't give easy questions and all. Hard questions they're gonna give in the assessment. TCS, Infosys, Wipro, all these companies. So I will show you how to answer those questions, how to answer those coding questions in the assessments from the top companies. I will show you, and with an example only I will show you, and you will get the real time project as well, and resume building, job guidance as well. You will get. So this is the program schedule. So you guys know, so why we need this training and all: to get the jobs mainly, and to get the knowledge on this one, and to get into the IT field. Simple, right? Yes. And the tool that we are going to use is the Eclipse. Okay, I will show you how Eclipse works, what is Eclipse and all. I will show you. Okay. Right. So to know about me more, okay, myself, Raju this side from the website makers company. And I am one of the developer. I do make websites actually, but I am the one taking the Java programming sessions because I do like Java more than Python. Okay, so Java is the best one. And I got selected into top 3 MNC companies in the India. So Infosys, Capgemini, and Practos. So salary more than about 6.5 LPA. So I got selected into top 3 MNCs. Those are the top 3 MNCs. And I am working currently with one of those MNCs. I won't reveal the name due to privacy issues. Okay, so I am working with the those 3 top MNCs. One of them only. Okay, maybe Infosys, Capgemini, or with Practo. Salary around 6.5. And I am the co-founder of the website makers at the same time. And I have to tutor the students, and I have done more than 850 students I have tutored actually. More than 28 batches. Yes, more than 28 batches I have tutored in this 2 year span. And I hope so. That is enough actually. Right. Let me show you the company website once. Okay, I have to show that actually. Is there any availability of recording videos for the class? Exactly, Praveen. Yes. So you can see there is a countdown here. Okay. So if you guys miss any session, don't worry about that. You will get the recorded content for the session. Okay. So today recorded content you will get tomorrow. Okay. It will be posted in a portal and you will get it. Simple. Yes, Praveen. You will get the recorded session. So you can go through the recorded content at any time. It's a free of cost and it is lifetime validity. Yeah, and this is our official website, guys. Okay, the website makers dot in. Okay, so the main agenda of the company is to design the websites, and at the same time we are making students get the knowledge on how to create the websites and how to like get into the IT field. Okay, so you can see, you can go through the website once when you have free time. So these are all the types of websites that we make. Yep, some of our works, and you can see the plans as well. Some of our plans. So the best affordable prices that we are offering actually. So we make the websites the starting price from 5,000 only. Yeah, we do make the websites at 5,000 rupees as well for the starters. And this is our official company website, not mine. I will share my personal number in the group. Okay, this is the company official number. Okay, not mine. And yeah, here we have the social medias, and you can download our app as well. We have the app, and it is, we are officially registered GST company. Yeah, sorry, we are officially GST registered company, and ISO certified company as well. Right. Let me go through the PPT now. So clear, right? Up to this part, clear now? Yep. So welcome, guys. Welcome again to the Java programming internship. So yeah, let's cover about the introduction for Java. So what is Java and what is Java actually? You have the question. Okay. So if I have to give my own definition about Java, okay, my own definition. So Java is a high level programming language. Okay. So what is high level and all? I will tell you in a while. So let me discuss about what is programming language. Okay. So we know English, Hindi, Telugu, Kannada, Tamil. So all these are languages, right? Thus the human speaking languages. Yes. So the humans can understand these languages. Okay, good. So what about the missions then? So we have the missions, right? The laptop is a mission, the mobile phone is a mission, the AI chatbot is a mission, the website is a like kind of working thing. Okay, so all these kind of missions. So who works on these programmings? Okay, so we have to give a functionality to that mission, right? So if you click on this button, so there is a button. If you click on this button, it is closing. If you click on this button now, it's gonna close the thing. Okay, so if you click on this admit button, it is admitting the person. So everything that we are going to tell in a programming way. Okay, so the machine won't understand our human languages, it won't understand. So we have to tell in a way, in the programming way. Okay, the mission understandable language. Okay, so we are calling it as mission. Mission, it might be a software, mission might be a application, mission might be a website. Okay, our mission might be a project as well. Okay, so we have to explain in our programming language way. Okay, so the programming language which is understandable by human. Okay, we can understand that program as actually. Okay, so that programming language called as high level programming language. Let me repeat again. The programming language can be understandable humans, which is called as high level programming language. Okay, so okay, that's good actually. So Java is a high level programming language. So humans can understand the Java. Yes, we can understand Java programming language, definitely. So we have C programming, C++, Python. So these are all high level programming languages. So we can understand them. Okay. But mission can't able to understand these high level programming languages. Okay, mission only understands the low level programming languages. Yes. So what is low level programming language? Low level programming languages. Yes. So as humans, we can't understand these low level programming languages. We can't able to understand because those signs and all, the symbols and all, there will be symbols, signs and all. Okay. So those can't be understandable. Like we can't understand easily. Those can be understand by missions only. The softwares, applications, websites, etc. etc. Okay. So yeah, those are low level programming languages, and there is something called conversion between high level to low level programming languages. So we write the program in high level, simple guys, simple, just simple. We write the code in the high level programming language, and mission will convert into low level programming language. Simple, right? Yep. So Java is one of them, one of the high level programming language. Simple. And Python is also a high level program, and Java, C, C++, etc. These are all high level programming languages, and mission will convert those high level into low level, and mission will understand the commands, the functionalities. It has to understand the methods it has to do. Simple. Guys, am I going in a speed way? Will I have to make a breaks in the sections? Is it okay? Am I going in a speed way, or is it normal, or is it slow? Can you confirm once? Is it okay, or am I going in a speed way? Okay, okay. Modi is telling it is okay. Okay, Ramakrishna is also telling okay. Yeah, okay. So let me continue the same speed. Okay, guys, you have the chart option. If I am going too fast now, tell me. Like nothing worries. You can tell me at any time. I will respond immediately. If I am going too fast now, I will make a breaks in the sessions. Okay, and I can speak slowly as well. I have more patience actually. Okay, right. So Java is one of the high level programming language. Okay, and what makes Java as the best programming language? You have the question. What makes Java? So we have Python, we have C, and all. What makes Java is the best one? So Java is platform independent. Okay. So the best point, note it down. Note it down. Java is platform independent. Okay. So we have Python programming language, C++ programming language, and Java programming languages. Okay. Some of you may argue with me. Java is like Python is the best programming language. Okay. Java is okay. Python is best. Okay. But the best future Java has is the platform independence. Okay, so if you write the code, if you write the program in my laptop, just I am telling an example. If you write the Java programming code in my laptop, you can execute that Java in any laptop, the code in any laptop. That's the best feature, right? Once you compile now, you can execute in anywhere. That is called as platform independent. Note it down. I am repeating. Platform independent matlab, if you write the code in my laptop, if you compile the code in my laptop, you can execute in anywhere. At any laptop you can do it. That is the platform independent future. Java only has the future. Okay, Python don't has that future. Okay, if you write the Python code in my laptop, if you compile the code in my laptop, you have to execute in my laptop. It won't be works in other laptops and all. You can't able to execute in other laptops. Once it is compiled in my laptop now, you have to execute in my laptop only. C++ also same thing, C also same thing. Hmm? So Java has the future, platform independent. So if anyone asks you what is Java programming language, tell the same thing. Java is a high level programming language and it has the future platform independent. Cool. Yeah, it's cool. And Java is a another one. Java is a object oriented programming language. Yeah. So there is something called as object oriented programming, guys, which is called as OOPS. 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 Okay. So what is OOPS? What is oriented programming language? Means the entire programming language, the code that we write, right? The entire program will roam around the objects only, will roam around the classes. There is something called classes, objects. Okay, the entire program we write between the objects classes only. So that's why we call it as object oriented programming language. Okay, so Java is one of them. Python is also object oriented programming language. C++ is also object oriented programming language, but not C language. C language is not a object oriented programming language. Okay, C won't support OOPS. Simple. Clear now? What is object oriented programming? the entire program that you are writing, right, it will roam around the objects classes. Simple. So I will explain what is object, what is class, and how to write the code as well. I will explain in a while. Simple. And Java is one of them. And let me open the PPT once. Yeah, Java is a platform independent. Yes, it is. And Java is a high level object oriented programming language. Yes, it is. And it is not a okay. There is something called JavaScript, guys. Okay, there is something called JavaScript. Okay, there is difference between Java programming, JavaScript. Java is different from JavaScript. Some of you guys may confuse. Okay, sir, same name, right? JavaScript, Java. What is the difference? JavaScript is a scripting language, guys. It's a script language, script oriented. Okay, it is not a programming language. JavaScript is not a programming language. It is script oriented language. We call it a scripting language. Okay, we write the scripts over there. It's not a programming language, but it has the functionalities like Java. You can write the methods, the functionalities, the what we call the expressions and all like as Java. But there is lots of difference. Okay, so we use JavaScript in the web applications, web designing. Okay, but Java is a programming language. Clear na? Don't confuse with both things. There is difference actually, lots of difference. Yeah, it's a scripting language. It's a scripting language. JavaScript is a scripting language. Don't confuse, na? Yes, and Java programming is one of the like most popular programming language in the entire world. Okay, some of you guys may say, may argue with me. Sir, Python is there now. Python is the best one and all. Sir, C++ is also best. Ruby is best. Golang, the new programming language is the Golang. Golang, the programming language name is Golang only. So, sir, Golang is the best one. Okay, don't argue with me. All those things. Why I am going through Java only na? Java is the best one which is currently in the market now. In the IT field na, Java is the king now. Okay, if you go to any IT company, you will learn the basics actually for the Java only. Okay, if you go to the Infosys company, they will train you on Java programming. Everyone has to be trained on Java only. There is no options Python, sir, I choose Python, I choose Ruby. No, you have to get the knowledge on Java. You have to be. So when you join the Infosys company, so learn about Java. You have to get the knowledge on Java. So Python will may come in the future, guys. Python is one of the good one, I do know that, but it may come in the future. Okay, so it takes time actually, 10 years, more than 10 years it may take. Okay, so go with Python if you like it, but I do recommend Java. Simple. So why Java programming? You have the question now. You got the definition right? You got the definition right? Yeah. Let me tell you about the definition again. Okay, if anyone asks you what is Java programming, so Java is the high level programming language. Okay, so and it is platform independent and it is object oriented programming language, and it is one of the most popular programming language, which has the features like robust. Hmm? And yeah, it might be used in so many things. I will tell you in a while. Okay, what are the needs, what are the uses that we are going to use the Java thing. Okay, this is the basic definition, just follow these things. Okay, yeah, coming to the futures, the why we need Java, why Java only. So Java, is used in the web applications mainly. Yes, for the backend purpose, for the functionalities and all, na, we use Java programming in the backend for the web applications. Good. And something, there is something called Enterprise Edition, guys. Java J2EE, J2EE. Okay, so Java Enterprise Edition. Okay, so that is one of the promising domain you have to learn to get the jobs and all. Okay, so sorry, J2EE. Okay, Java is there, and for the desktop applications, guys. So if you go through any applications, applications matlab apps only. Okay, apps. But for the desktop version, you can see there is a app. This one is a app. Chrome is a app. Anydesk is a app. You can see all these apps, right? Hmm? Yes, these are made with Java programming language. Yes, with Java you can make those desktop applications as well, and mobile applications as well. Okay, in the mobile phone now you can see the apps, right? Yes, some of them made with Java only, and CMS for the customer relationship things. So we use Java, and for the web services, as I told you, we use Java, and applications integrations we use Java, maintenance and for the support as well. Okay, so we use Java programming. So Java has that kind of features. Okay, if you learn Java now, there is options like full stack Java. So you can go through the job as well. Java developer, Java programmer. You can go through all these jobs. Okay, yep. So software developers, if you want to become a software developer, now you have to go with the Java programming. Python is also good, but go with Java. And yeah, let me discuss about some of the futures. Okay, some of the futures that we have to discuss about Java. So if Java comes now, you have to go through all these features. So Java has lots of features. Okay, it is a simple programming language and it is well structured. So some of you may say, sir, Python is very easy, right? Python is very easy, guys. Within two lines now, you can print the value. With the two lines, you can simply print the value of any variable using Python. But Java takes around 10 lines of code you have to write to print a variable value. Simple. To print a variable value now, Java takes 10 lines. You have to write 10 lines of code. For Python and all, it is very easy. Two lines, it is enough. So the main reason I don't like about the Python don't have that much structure actually. It don't has a well structure actually. So like the semi like the braces and all, like those things. So that's why I like Java. It has well structured things. I will show you about the structure and all the syntax things and all. I will show you. Okay, the semicolon is the main one. So it is simple language. Don't confuse. I will teach you from basics only. And it is object oriented, as I told you. It's a object oriented. It's a future actual object oriented, and it is a platform independent. I told you, and it is very secured actually. Java is very secure language and robust as well. And yeah, so robust matlab it will be run in as I told you the versions and all. Now it will support everything. Okay, the backend things also it will support. The backend version also it will support, and architecture neutral, and it is portable, dynamic, interpreted, high performance, multi-threaded means you can run two or more functions at a time, two or more works at a time, and it is distributed as well. So when you have the free time, guys, go through all these features because I can't explain all these 10 features now. 11 features, more than 20 is there actually. So what I do, I will share the material in the groups. Okay, I will share the materials in the group. Just go through the material. Just learn about each feature. Just go through each features. Simple. Okay. Yeah. So that's all about the Java features and how Java works, where we use the Java, and what is Java. Clear na? Up to this part, clear na, guys? Give a thumbs up in the chat if it's clear. Sir, yeah, sure, Janakiran. Yeah, I will share the PPT in the group and I will share the material as well in the group. Clear na, guys, up to this part? So the basics that you want to know about Java, what is Java and all. Very easy, guys. There is nothing complex things and all. It is very easy. Right. And you will get the material as well in the group. Just go through the material, PPT. Do you have any questions, guys? So there is so many theory now. Yeah, theory. So let's go through the hands-on now. Can you go to the hands-on? Yep. Let me show you the hands-on thing. So yeah. So next one is the Eclipse. So as I told you, Java is a programming language. We have to write the programs. Okay. So those would be understandable by the missions, so we have to write it as a mission oriented things. So to write those kind of programs and all, you can use a notepad, simple guys. You have the We have the future like notepad in our laptops, so this is the notepad, you can write the program here, simple. But we are not going to use the notepad. No, we won't use the notepads and all. Okay, we are the professional developers, right? So we are going to use the Eclipse as our base. Okay, what is Eclipse and all, I will explain in a while. So Eclipse is the one which will be used by the top MNCs companies. Everyone uses Eclipse only, they won't use notepads and all. They won't use Eclipse. So sorry, they won't use notepads and all. They won't use the command, command prompt, right? They won't use this command prompts and all. We have to get in touch with the best compilers, guys. Don't use this online compilers and all, I won't agree with those online compilers. You have to install the software, the best compiling softwares. So Eclipse is the best compiling softwares. So we write the entire programs in the Eclipse only. Okay, so let me show you an example. So Eclipse is the desktop application. So where we write the program, the Java program in the Eclipse, and we compile we execute the program in the Eclipse only. We won't use this notepads, command prompts, and all. No. So see a simple code. So we write like this. Okay, we write the code like this, and we run the program in the software as well. We won't go outside and all. We will run simply here only. See, we got the output. We got the output. Simple. So we write the code here. We get the output here. Simple. So we have to go through this IDE, guys. Okay, we are not using the notepads, the command prompts. You can use those things, but I won't agree. You have to learn about the Eclipse, the best IDE to compile the Java, to execute the Java. Okay, so I will show you how to install this Eclipse software to write the program, to execute the programs. Okay, and some of you may know about VS. You guys know about VS? Anyone? VS, Visual Studio. Visual Studio, guys. Do you know about Visual Studio? You can use yes, Venkatesh. You can use VS as well. Okay, the Visual Studios as well you can use, but learn about Eclipse, guys, because Infosys uses HTML for everything. You can use VS actually, Venkatesh, for HTML, for everything, JS, for everything you can use VS. For Java, for Python, for C++ also you can use. Right, guys. So yeah, install the Eclipse in your laptops now. I will show you how to install it. So the top MNCs use the same thing, so we have to use the same thing. Let me show you how to install the Eclipse. I have the Eclipse in my laptop actually, but let me show you. Let me show you. So firstly, open Chrome or open any browser. Open any browser. Search for Eclipse. Eclipse download. Eclipse download. Just search for Eclipse download. Okay. So the first website you will get as this one, eclipse.org. Eclipse.org. Okay. So this is the one, and yeah. So you can see Eclipse download. The button. Click on it, and yeah, here you can see the website Eclipse, and this is the one we needed. Eclipse IDE. Eclipse IDE. There is a button called download button. Okay. So guys, version may vary because of your the time and all. The version may be vary, but install it simply. So click on this download button, and yeah, I think it is downloaded. No, it is not downloaded. Okay, click on this button again. Click on this button again. Download. So thank you for downloading. Yes, it is downloading now. You can see it is downloading. So 123 MB, guys. Okay, so the name, you can see the name as well. So like sometimes guys you can see the name JRE. JRE. What is this JRE and all? Okay, I will tell you. I will, let me open the PPT once. What is this JRE? Okay, so as I told you, Eclipse is the one IDE. Eclipse is the IDE we are gonna use to execute our Java programs, to run our Java programs, to compile our Java programs. Okay, sure, good. But we need something like JRE. JRE. So what is JRE and what is JDK? So you have to know about this one, guys. JRE and JDK. JRE. So JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. Java Runtime Environment. So this is simply a file, guys. Okay, this one is like a file. Okay, JRE is like a file. Okay, so this Java runtime environment file contains everything about the Java. Yes, everything. So when we are running a program, when we are typing a program, okay, when we are getting the output and all, now we need some files with us. The Java files we need. So when we are installing Eclipse also, now we need some files, right? Yes, the default files, the default packages, okay, the default methods. So those all will be there in the JRE, Java Runtime Environment. So we have to install this Java Runtime Environment pack, the file in our laptop. So then only Java will be available in our laptop. So we can run the Java program. Simple. Okay. So I have Java in my laptop, the JRE in my laptop. Okay. So JDK also same thing. JDK. So JDK stands for Java Development Development Toolkit actually. Java Development Toolkit JDK. The same thing for the development purpose. I have shown you some examples, right? Where we use Java and all. I have shown you, right, the uses. So in that one we need JDK, guys. With the JDK only, it is like a file only which contains all the necessary packages, files and all. With the JDK, we will like simply get the features. Those all features. So Eclipse is downloading, I think so. Where is this Eclipse? Oh, I have stopped now. So install this file, guys. Simple. Install this executable file. .exe. See this one. .exe means executable file. So we have to install this executable file in our laptop. So download this 123 MB file, and I have the file with me. Actually, I won't waste my MB. So you can see the same file in Eclipse Insta JRE Windows 64-bit executable file. Okay, once you're done with this one now, so once you have this one now, double click on it, simple. So it will open the app now, the Eclipse app. Just a minute. Just double click on that executable file. Yep. So it will ask for the options, guys. So as I told you, Eclipse is the best IDE. Okay. So it is available for Java programming, C++ as well, PHP as well. So many things are there, guys. So Java is not only for sorry, Eclipse is not only for Java. Okay, Eclipse, you can use Eclipse for C, C++, PHP, web applications. So many things. Okay, so currently what we need the Eclipse for Java. As a Java developers now, we need this one IDE for Java developers. So select the first option. Select the first option because we need for Java only na. We don't need for C++ now. Okay, and this one also you can select, but we don't have the amount and all. So simply select the first option for Java developers. Yes, we are Java developers now. Okay, and click on the button install. Click on the button install, guys. Okay, And what will happen, the everything will be installed now. Simple. Right. So simple, the file will be installed and you will get a this one, this icon. You can see the icon, right? The Eclipse icon. Okay. So you will get it here. Okay, or else go to the search option, search for Eclipse. Eclipse. So you'll get like this. Java Eclipse for the Java developers and all. So click on open. So that is the IDE we are gonna use for the entire month. Yes. And yeah, click on the launch button. Click on the launch button. Yes. So you won't get this one, this code, guys. You won't get this code. This is my previous work actually. So this one is my previous works. Okay. You won't get this one. You will get blank page. What you get? You will get the blank page. So these are all my works actually. The previous works. Okay. So you won't get all these things. You won't get. Simply you will get the blank page, but you will get all these options above. Above now you can see all these options. So once you got these all options now, successfully you have created the Eclipse workspace in your laptop. Okay. So you can write the code here, you can get the output here. Simple. If you got the screen, guys, if you got the screen, empty screen you will get. If you got now, simple, you successfully install the Eclipse in your laptop. Okay. So tomorrow, in the next session, in the tomorrow session only, I will show you how to create the file, how to create a package, and how to write the class. I will show you from the tomorrow onwards. We will write the coding, the programming and all. We will write, guys. We won't go through this theory part. No, we won't go through this theory parts. We will go through the hands-on part only. Okay. For everything I will teach you from the basics in the coding hands-on part only. I want to teach you in the theory part. I won't teach you. I won't discuss about the all theory things. I won't discuss. I will teach you in the theory part. Sorry, I will teach you in the hands-on part only, and you will get the knowledge. I'm sure you will get the knowledge with the hands-on part. There is no theory required. If you need any theory now, I will simply share the materials in the group. Just go through the theory. And yeah, so tomorrow we will write the first program. In tomorrow session we will write the first program. Okay, right, guys? So I hope it is clear up to this part. Is it clear now, guys? Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? We won't discuss this much theory, guys. From the tomorrow onwards we won't discuss this much theory. We will go through the hands-on only. If you have any questions, if you have any doubts, yeah. How is the session? How is the session, guys? Yes, sir. Me also successfully installed Eclipse now. Okay, good, Moti. Good. Keep it up. Difference between JRE and JDK, na? Yes, for the developers, na? As I told you, we have installed for the Java developers, Eclipse for Java developers, right? So we need JDK, not the JRE. We need JDK. So the Java development toolkit for the development purpose and all, for the web application development, na? We have to create the web applications, right? So we use Java. We create the desktop applications, right? We use Java. For those development purposes, okay, we need JDK. There will be some versions as well for the development purposes, for the web applications or for these things and all. So the JDK contains the like a default methods. Okay, for the development purpose we contain these things, and JRE is the main one. Okay, JRE contains the JDK file in it actually. JRE contains the JDK file in it actually. So this one is for Java runtime environment. So if you have to run the Java program in your laptop, Okay, you have to install the JRE in your laptop. So JRE file has to be installed in your laptop. Then only you can run the Java files, the Java program. Without JRE, you can't able to run the Java program in your laptop. Simple. Firstly JRE, then JDK. Okay, let me tell you again. High level and lower level. High level is the human understandable programming language, guys. High level programming language is the human understandable programming language. So this one, you can understand this one, right? You can see. So this one is class, human, age, int, void, set age, encapsulation example. Okay, the age of human. You can understand this one, right? You can understand this one, right? Yes, it is human understandable. The low level programming language is you can't able to understand low level programming language. You can't able to understand low level programming language. I can't show you the example now because do I have anything? Let me show you guys. If I have anything, I will show you. So simply low level programming language, the human can't understand able to understand the low level language. Simple. Human can understand the high level programming language. Human can't able to understand the low level programming language. Simple. Okay. And vice versa, mission can understand the low level language. Okay, mission can understand the low level language, but mission can't able to understand high level language. Okay. So to convert from high level to low level, guys, to convert from a high level to low level programming language, we need compiler. Simple. We need a compiler. Any compiler. Okay. So the compiler gonna help us to, you can see Java compiler. You can see this one, right, guys? Java compiler, yes. So we use Java compiler to convert the high level to low level. So then the machine can understand simply. I don't have a file to show you now, the low level thing. Hmm, no, I don't have a file. Let me Google it now. Simple na, high level programming language, human understandable, mission can't understand it. Low level programming language, mission understandable, human can't understand it. Hmm, simply it will be written in the zeros and ones firstly. Okay. Low level language will be written in zeros and ones. You can't able to understand it. Who's that latecomer? I won't admit, guys. Simply the low level programming language will be in zeros and ones. You can't able to understand, and it contains the special characters, symbols and all it will contain. Okay. So you can't able to understand it. Simple. Yeah. Can you see this one? Can you see this one? Yeah. So it is not human understandable. Am I right? Yes, it is not human understandable. Okay. So this one also you can see. This one also you can see. It is not human understandable, right? This one. This one is mission understandable language. So that one is called as low level language as well. Mission understandable language. So humans can't able to understand it. Hmm? So we call it as low level language. Humans can't able to understand it. Simple. Clear now? Right, guys. That's all for the day, guys. So see you in the tomorrow session. Okay, be on time, 8 p.m. sharp, and you will get the recorded session as well.